Introduction. Hey, welcome back to Money Magnetism, your go-to channel for innovative ways to make money in the digital age. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell now so you don't miss any of our game-changing money-making strategies. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to make money with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to explore how to monetize AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT. So, without further ado, let's unlock the potential together. Segment 1. What is ChatGPT? Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text, understand context, and engage in meaningful conversations. With its versatility and conversational abilities, ChatGPT can be an incredible tool for various applications. Segment 2. Offer ChatGPT services. The first way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering ChatGPT services. Many businesses and individuals are looking for chatbots to streamline customer service, answer frequently asked questions, or provide support. If you're tech-savvy and can customize ChatGPT for specific tasks, you can offer your services to these clients. You could set up and maintain chatbots for websites, e-commerce stores, or other platforms. Segment 3. Content generation. ChatGPT is a fantastic content generator. You can utilize it to automate content creation for websites, blogs, or social media. If you're a content creator, imagine the time and energy you could save by using ChatGPT to draft articles, social media posts, or product descriptions. You can then focus on editing and refining the content, making your workflow much more efficient. Segment 4. Chatbot marketplaces. There are online marketplaces and platforms where you can sell your ChatGPT-powered chatbots. You can customize these chatbots for specific industries or use cases and offer them for sale. Websites like ChatGPT Marketplace or independent platforms for chatbot sales can be great places to showcase your creations. Segment 5. AI content creation tools. Create AI-powered content creation tools. You can develop a web application or software that uses ChatGPT to generate content, and then offer it as a service. Think about AI-driven social media post generators, blog post creators, or e-commerce product description tools. With the right marketing and user base, this could be a lucrative venture. Segment 6. Language translation services. Another exciting way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering language translation services. You can set up a chatbot that translates text from one language to another. Businesses, travelers, and individuals often require quick and accurate translations. You could charge for your services per word or per page, depending on the volume and complexity of the translations. Segment 7. ChatGPT consulting. Become a ChatGPT consultant. With your expertise in ChatGPT, you can help businesses and individuals optimize their use of chatbots. Offer consulting services on how to set up, train, and maintain effective chatbots. This could include chatbot strategy, customization, and integration into existing systems. Segment 8. Content marketing agencies. Collaborate with content marketing agencies. Many marketing agencies are always on the lookout for ways to streamline their content creation process. You can partner with these agencies to offer AI-powered content generation services. By working together, you can help them scale their content production and increase efficiency. Segment 9. Online courses and tutorials. Consider creating online courses and tutorials about ChatGPT. As you become proficient in working with ChatGPT, share your knowledge with others. Develop courses and tutorials that guide people in using ChatGPT for various applications. You can sell these courses on platforms like Udemy or through your website. Conclusion. ChatGPT is a game changer in the world of AI and language processing. It's not just a tool, it's a potential revenue stream waiting to be tapped. Whether you offer services, develop tools, or consult on ChatGPT usage, there are countless opportunities to make money with this remarkable technology. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to Money Magnetism for more innovative ways to make money in the digital era. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when we release new videos. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Let's harness the power of ChatGPT together and unlock those income streams.